Nisambula binaka, namaste, and assalamu alaikum, and no ia e Maori Fiji. Today I speak to you with deep concern over the recent drowning cases in Fiji. As the minister responsible for the welfare of our children, I believe now is the time that we, especially our parents, guardians, and all those who have children under their custody and care, they need to become more vigilant in arresting the alarming rate of drowning cases involving our children. Going through the media reports on the number of drowning cases, it saddens me to note that recent statistics have shown that in 2022 alone, Fiji recorded an increase of 43% in drowning cases when compared to 2021, and sadly, beginning of this year, we have already started to see high rates of drowning cases. The premature loss of lives, especially our children, who are most susceptible to vulnerability, is nothing short of a tragedy. We cannot afford to let our guard down with our children for even a minute. To my fellow Fijians, especially as we are in the cyclone season and torrential rain and flooding is expected, I urge you all to take all the necessary precautions to safeguard yourselves and your families. Be vigilant and take extra precaution, particularly about your children's whereabouts. Avoid letting them outdoors during rainy or stormy weather unsupervised, and especially around bodies of water like the pool or the sea. Keep a close eye on children and toddlers when you're out and about for a swim. Parents have the duty to protect their children and make decisions concerning the welfare and well-being of their children. Please, parents and guardians, I plead with you for continuous vigilance so that we avoid such tragedies. Our children deserve to live life to their fullest potential. To all Fijians, if you see any children unsupervised, please call the Child Helpline on 1325. May God bless Fiji and continue to protect the lives of every Fijian.